confirmed fact.
The Labour Party is securing a landslide victory in the UK's parliamentary election. Party leader Keir Starmer is set to become Britain's next Prime Minister, defeating incumbent Prime Minister Rishi Sunak's Conservative Party. As per the latest data, Labour has won 409 of the 650 seats. In his victory speech, 61-year-old Starmer said people voted for it and change begins now. British Prime Minister Rishi Sunak took responsibility for the loss in his acceptance speech, saying the British people have delivered a sobering verdict and there is much to learn.
The country have spoken and they're ready for change, to end the politics of performance, a return to politics as public service. The change begins right here, because this is your democracy, your community and your future. You have voted. It is now time for us to deliver.
The HYC